So here is TWIG app. It recently getting some traction. This app is called TWIG, your bank of things. So yeah, if you just open it up, so what's the idea of it? So the idea is that you can basically sell some of your old items a bit easier. So specifically electronics like iPhone or something like that, and you can just do it in the easier way. However, I'm not yet sure how like legit this app is. Is it completely working or is it functional? There are a lot of reviews that this app is, it's still not working quite well. And this is a good idea, but it's a great concept, but it's not yet workable. So for example, let's say I have like Google Pixel 6 Pro and I just want to get rid of it and get some cash. So then I just can select, okay, it's 128 gigabytes, the condition, good condition, and then you can see some description. And then, yeah, you can see that instantly I can get like 224 euro for that. Then you want to select how you want to cash out. And this is like the app where you avoid the hassle of selling your phone on eBay or some other services. You just have this device, and then I think you need to you just send this device to them. So yeah, here you have that. So for example, if I so then you just choose a cash out type. For example, I have some AirPods. And then, yeah, you can select regular cash out, get paid after we receive and process your item. Then you just enter your IBAN number. Or you can get the cash now, send your item ASAP as we must receive it within 7 days or the cash will be recovered. So yeah, basically that's what you choose. Regular cash out is you get a bit more, or instant cash out you can get now, but you need to instantly send your item, and then basically yeah, if they receive, that's good. So in a nutshell, this app is just easier way to sell your old items, specifically phones and stuff like that, and instantly get some cash. Of course, the price for that is a bit lower. So you can sell it on eBay and or somewhere else, and probably someone will offer you more for that. But here you just instantly get that, and you get guaranteed amount of money. Like you can sell some old phone. Let's say okay, it will be $250 or $300. However, you just bought it for like 800. But here you just sell, and you're guaranteed that you're gonna sell it and you're gonna get cash soon or instant. While on other marketplaces, you need to spend time, you need to go and place your item, you need to monitor it, you need to verify the purchase and all of that. Like, so it's a bit of a hassle if you don't have a lot of experience selling on eBay. And also, of course, depends on your item. So this is just like if you really quickly need, a couple hundreds of bucks, and you have some items in in your household, like, you have some old phones, some probably some TVs or something like that, and you just want to get rid of it, and you don't want to spend days on eBay, you just can use this app. However, again, like there are new categories. They are adding more and more categories at the moment. This is just like electronics. They probably gonna also add like silver, platinum, gold, Lego books, blue, like e-readers, all of these things. So for example, if I have like Amazon Kindle, then then I just select condition, good condition, and then it you see, okay, I can just get 40 euro for that, and then just confirm, and then you can just super easily sell all of this stuff right into the app. Like the one question remaining I have, like how exactly I need to send the items to them. Is there just like via uh, uh, so you can invite friends as well, settings, update profile, and then you can just read FAQs. uh, there is help in many languages. uh, so there is like a TWIG card you can cash out. You can see uh, all of these questions here, which you can just read. Um, why do you take a holding deposit against my third-party payment card? So you can do that. You can just read all of this. There are a lot of questions. Yeah, so there you have it. You can also reach out to their support and ask them for that. So yeah, something like this. So just feel free to add the item, and then you can just reach out to them on intercom as well. So and then there is some kind of virtual TWIG card. Uh, refer your friends and family. So you can also just use my link as well. Uh, so you can just use this app like that, and then yeah, just use this referral link, twig app.link get code Andre1. I didn't sell any items. I was just exploring this app. However, yeah, like I think a month ago, I looked into it. There were a lot of like reviews that this app is actually not working really yet. It's a start, but then now there are more and more reviews. Probably there are more customers. So if if you want to test it out and you have like a pair of some headphones, not some super expensive item, you can definitely give it a test and try it out. So that's what I would do, and then yeah, see how it goes.